Today I found something unusual on my iPhone SE 2020. It's called iOS 26.3.1a is available, and it doesn't look like a normal update at all. Uh, no new features, no changes. So why did Apple release such these things? Let's install it and find out. Oh, alright. I am tapping install button right now. While it updates, let me explain what this actually is. This A update is what Apple calls background security update. It is very different from regular iOS update. No new features, no UI changes. Instead, it silently fixes security vulnerabilities inside your system. This update target critical parts like Safari, WebKit and core system files. Basically, if there is a security risk, Apple can fix it instantly without waiting for a big update. That means your iPhone stays protected in real time. Here's why this is different and important. Normally, you have to download a full iOS update, which takes time, but this update can install much faster, sometimes run in the background, no interruption of your phone uses. So Apple is basically making security updates faster and smarter. So should you install this? Yes, definitely 100% because this is purely for security. But the precautions are simple. Keep your battery above sufficient level, stay on Wi-Fi and don't interrupt the installation. You can see that the downloading is going on in the background, and most importantly, you must turn on automatic security update installation. Okay, so it will be done and I hope there will be no problem. And after the completion of this update, my iPhone SE 2020 is more secure, and honestly I think this should be the future of iOS update. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Galaxy Station for more simple tech explanations. See you in the next one.